gets that.
Hey guys, Dustin here. We're trying something new. We're going to do a market update, just kind of let you know, let our clients know, anybody that happens to be interested, just let you guys know what the markets are doing. So we're going to start sharing some screens here. We're going to get into it, talk about the stocks and the markets that may have affected your retirement investments today. Let's get started here. So first things first, the US stock market today, as far as all the major indices, were higher. The Dow was up 118, the S&P was up 14, the Nasdaq was up another 27. Now we don't normally look at the Dow, but let's take a minute and we're going to go over here and take a look at the S&P. This is just a simple chart of the S&P 500, and you can see each little blip that you see on the screen. Those are little candlesticks, just a simple way of looking at it. But today's blip, it was up, doing well, trying to get back towards those highs. If you're investing for retirement right now, look at this trend. This is all year long from 2017 over here on the left all the way, just trending higher and higher. A little tiny blips along the way, but not that big of a deal. If we go over to the Nasdaq, you can see a similar picture, however, a little more volatile, right? If you have some Nasdaq names in your portfolio, you might have seen a little volatility over the past couple weeks and over the summer too, especially. But the point is, everything's good. Why? Why is everything good on the weekends here? Well, the first thing is that the jobs, right? We added 228,000 jobs since last month. Now, every analyst out there, the smartest people out there, we're only expecting 198,000, so we really beat that number, and that was a good thing. Also, that Brexit, you got that Brexit thing going on between the European Union and the UK. They were able to work out 3 deals, right? 3 sort of issues that they've had. They've been kind of stalling a little bit because of these 3 problems. They worked them out, and they're expecting that this is going to move forward a little bit faster than expected. If we go back over to the charts, let's take a look at some of the stocks that are moving today that really probably should have moved the other way. Caterpillar is the first one. Caterpillar was up a little over 0.5%. Check this out. Caterpillar admitted this in their court documents. The stock should have been down today, but nonetheless it was higher. They admitted that one of their rail car machinery businesses was doing unnecessary repairs on their customers' rail cars, and then they took the brake shoes from these trains and stuff and they just threw them in the ocean, right? Just dumped them in the ocean, didn't say anything, no big deal. So they admitted that they did this. They are going to be penalized $5 million and pay $20 million in restitution. Not really a big deal for Caterpillar, but the stock is still higher by 55% on the year. Look at it, just killing it there. Definitely one of the stocks that's helping out the Dow. So looking good there. Amazon, we've all heard of Amazon, right? Amazon was up a little bit today. Actually, it gave back some of its gains, but up a little bit today. There's a company called United Natural Foods, and let me see if I can guess their ticker symbol. Yeah, UNFI. They came out today and said, you know what? Amazon is like helping our business tremendously. They're just killing it for us, so much so that they have to actually spend $25 million more just to keep up with the current demand. Poor babies, right? It's sad that they have to spend money to make a ton more money. Nonetheless, that had everybody thinking, well, gosh, the Amazon effect, if you will, or how consumers take Amazon into consideration is doing great, right? So everybody's just happy with Amazon. If we take a look at the price of Amazon, been a little volatile lately, but overall doing really well. Lastly, Western Digital. If you've heard of Western Digital, they're a data storage company. Maybe back in the day, if you're old enough, you probably bought a Western Digital hard drive. They do lots of other stuff now, more cloud-based. But they added about 4% today, right? Yeah, 4%. Incredible. So basically what happened was a Reuters report. If you ever heard of Reuters, they came out with a report saying that they've been fighting with Western Digital and Toshiba. They've been kind of fighting it out. That they said that they're going to be able to come up with an agreement. They should say something by next week. Investors love that because if you look over here at the chart, you can see that there's been some struggles, right? About a 17% decline there. A little bit rough, but thankfully they're probably done working with Toshiba. They're going to fight it out. They're going to have their agreements figured out, and you know, maybe the stock heads higher. I don't know. I don't make predictions like that. Hey, look, we're just reviewing the markets here. If you have something you want to add, leave a comment to the video down there. What did you see today in the market that looked interesting to you? Was there something like Bitcoin that might have you interested in trading futures, which comes out on Sunday? I would stay away, by the way. Give it some time. I trade futures a lot myself, and I would not jump into that right away. But if there's something that got you excited, leave a comment to this video. If there's something you'd like me to cover in these videos where we review the markets, if there's something in particular you'd like to review, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. If you're interested in retirement investing, check out our other videos on the channel. We have all kinds of great videos for everything, every subject you can imagine as far as retirement investing is concerned. I hope you check us out. If you want to talk with me, you want to chat, you want to leave a message, just go to our website, Jazz Wealth, and we'll talk to you soon. Enjoy, guys. Have a great weekend.